Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert, upload PDF to Google Docs. If you're someone who frequently handles PDF documents and finds it cumbersome to edit them using specialized software, then this video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly upload and edit PDF files directly in Google Docs, a feature that can save you both time and effort. So, let's dive right in and explore this convenient method. To get started, open your favorite web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Remember, you'll need to be logged into your Google account to access Google Drive. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Google Drive interface, which serves as your central hub for storing and organizing files online. It's a powerful tool that keeps your documents easily accessible and neatly arranged. Now, to upload your PDF file, look towards the left-hand side of your screen for an icon labeled New. This is your gateway to adding new files to your Google Drive. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose File Upload. This action will open a window that allows you to browse through the files stored on your computer. Here, locate the specific PDF file you want to upload. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then hit Open. This triggers the upload process. You'll notice a progress bar appearing at the bottom right corner of your screen, indicating that your PDF is being uploaded to Google Drive. The time it takes for the upload to complete depends on the file size and the speed of your internet connection. Larger files might take a bit longer, so be patient. Once the upload is finished, it's a good practice to refresh your browser. This ensures that you're viewing the most up-to-date version of your Google Drive, complete with your newly uploaded PDF file. Simply press the refresh button on your browser, and you should see your PDF file in your drive. Now that your PDF is successfully uploaded, it's time to transform it into a Google Docs document for editing. Locate the PDF file in your Google Drive and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu. Hover over the Open With option, and when the submenu appears, choose Google Docs. This step initiates the conversion process, turning your PDF file into a Google Docs document. It's worth noting that this might take a moment, particularly if your PDF is large or contains complex elements. Once the conversion is complete, your document will open in Google Docs, where you can start editing immediately. Google Docs offers a robust set of editing tools, allowing you to make changes to text, add or remove images, and much more, all directly within your browser. One of the best features of Google Docs is its ability to automatically save any changes you make. This means your progress is continuously saved, eliminating the worry of losing any work. Your newly edited document is now stored in Google Drive as a Google Docs file, keeping everything safe and secure in the cloud. And there you have it. You've learned how to upload and edit PDF files using Google Drive and Google Docs, a straightforward method that keeps everything organized in one convenient place. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this tutorial on PMN Online helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials in the future. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to insert, upload PDF to Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to insert, upload PDF to Google Docs, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.